everybody, I have an unboxing video for you today. So as part of the Cherry on Top's design team, you get to pick between the cherry boxes if you want to receive one or if you don't want to receive one, which I love that flexibility. You guys know how much I loved January's cherry box. I had to have one and February was no different. I'm so excited for this box. So let's go ahead and unbox it so that you can see what is in the cherry box in February. There are so many fun goodies in this box. I am so excited. I will, as always, leave all the subscription information in the description box down below. Let me unbox this. Look at how a Cherry on Top boxes up their kits though. Do you see, like, it's all taped shut? Everything is, how do I put it? Like, this isn't gonna move and it's not gonna get hurt, right? Isn't that awesome? Okay, hold on. This kit is jam-packed with awesomeness. Okay, so first of all, we have some Nuvo glitter drops in the color Golden Sunset. Then we get an entire roll, like the whole package of Tim Holtz design tape. So these are all like fun vintage washi tapes. I've never had washi tapes from Tim Holtz, so I'm super excited to like play with these and see how they work. I love that gold glitter. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rolls of washi tape in here. 8 rolls, you guys. I want to play with this. I actually almost want to do like a whole background or part of a background or part of a layout with one. I'm going to come up with something for this. You also get the Tim Holtz floral adornments from Ideology. These are like, okay, so these are metal flowers. I think that's what they basically are. Let me see if I can get them out without too much trouble. Whoop, there we go. No. Yes, they're not heavy. I don't think they're too heavy. And they're not super thick. So they will work on a scrapbook page. I don't think I'd mail these on a card, but on a scrapbook page, they would be just fine. They're so cute. I love them. I also think when I go to adhere these down, I will probably use red line tape to keep them nice and sturdy. I think that they will need them. The next thing is this Tim Holtz Ideology philosophy tags. So they just say things like artful, altered, cherish, inspire, simplify, journey, wander, breathe, listen, believe, destiny, imagine. So really cute. And again, they don't appear to be like super thick. Probably just heavy, a little bit heavier than your normal embellishment, but yeah, they're real thin. Oh, and these aren't even that heavy at all. Again, I'd probably use some red line tape on there to adhere them to our pages. Next up, this is a Sizzix 3D Textured Impressions Embossing Folder from Sizzix. Let's see, what is this? It says Adorned Tile. Okay, this is going to be fun. It's been a long time since I've done dry embossing or put dry embossing on any kind of a page or card or anything. So I'm super excited to play with this. It looks really cool. Then we have this whole pack of Tim Holtz Ideology Metallic Craft Stock. Okay, so 1 second. So it's the whole pack. You're getting like a ton of papers here. So it says there are 18 rolls gold and 18 copper. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so much fun to play with. So, so you can emboss these using that 3D embossing folder, or you could just die cut them or use them for anything to add some silver or some metal metallic to your page. Just busted my nail, guys. That's okay. We're going to keep going because I want to get this open because I want to be able to show it to you. All right. Whoop. There we go. Yikes. All right. So then we have, so this is really nice, thick. It's craft on one side and then the metallic on the other side. Look at that. So that is the rose gold one, which is going to look so nice with this, which we haven't even gotten to yet. And then we also have this like coppery one. Ooh, pretty. So you get all of them. So you get 18 of the rose gold, 18 from the copper. Just aside from the kit, you will have metallic paper for the rest of the year. If you're like me and you don't use it a ton, I use it often, but not very often. And this is really nice and thick. I mean, like really nice and thick. This will make fabulous die cut letters. And then, but wait, there's more. You also get a photo play. So this is Photo Play's collection, Our Friendship Through the Years. You get the cardstock ephemera, a whole pack of it. And I'm just going to flip it over to show you like what's on there. So it says things like good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but they are there. So really fun things. There's some cute little butterflies, and I can see how it's going to work with all of our collection. With the rest of the kit, because it's not, so we have some of the vintage style ephemera, the real vintage florals. It's like there's lots of craft, lots of the kind of weathered, distressed feel to things that will pair really well with the rest of this kit. Really cute. So lots of fun patterns and ephemera. So you're going to get a full pack of the ephemera. This ephemera is a little different. Like it's on like little pop-out sheets, which doesn't bother me in the least, but it's making it a little difficult to get it back in the packaging. Okay, pop that over there. Moving on then. And then you get the full collection pack for that same kit from Photo Play, Our Friendship Through the Years. So this first paper is called So Lucky. One side is a cut apart piece. The other side is this gorgeous like teal with this wood grain. And I keep looking at this and going, okay, so we can do a background and we can pair it with this. Then we can add some of this. And so so pretty, you guys. You're getting 2 sheets of each of these papers, so you're going to have lots of pattern. You don't have to make any tough decisions. This paper is called Documented. I love the cameras. And then this back is this gorgeous like vintage floral. This next paper is called Do Epic Stuff. There's some really cute like different icons on here, like this little cassette recorder. And then the back is just a solid deep red with this little, with some corner embellishments around the edges. Here is another cut apart sheet, lots of cute like friendship sentiments here, really sweet. And then the back is another one of those really gorgeous like vintage floral pages. Love this one so much. So it has this like little decor around the edge, but then lots of white space to build your layout on top of. And then the back is this amazing throwback Burberry plaid. I love this. I almost want to use like both sides of it because that is so pretty. The next paper is this floral paper that has like the deep reds and the kind of craft or off cream color. And then the back is just like a 4 6x6 pad papers. They do those a lot, Photoplay does. And then we have the sticker sheet that goes with it. Love, love, love that cassette player. Pictures, or it never happened. The gang, these are really cute. So that is the kit for February. Love it, can't wait. I'm gonna go ahead and dive into it. And then you'll be seeing some projects coming up soon. Probably do what I did last month and have like a little mini, all the layouts. All right, that's it, guys. You have a great, great day. You will find all the links below for this gorgeous kit. I'm gonna go scrapbook and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.